Dear students, now we are in the topic circles objective level 3. Until yesterday we have discussed about level 3 29 sums. Now let us discuss from 30th onwards today. Circles objective level 3. Circles objective level 3 30th question. Let A and B are two fixed points. If a perpendicular P is drawn from A to the polar of B, perpendicular P drawn to the polar of B with respect to the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. A circle is given as x square plus y square equal to a square. Two fixed points are there, A and B. Polar of A is a line and polar of B is another line. If P is a perpendicular from polar of if a perpendicular P is drawn from A to polar of B and Q is a perpendicular drawn from B to polar of A, then what is the condition according to option? Let us draw a circle. Put here A. The polar concept. The locus of points of intersection of tangents drawn at extremities of chord. This is the polar of A. Polar of A. Put here a point B. Whenever a point we have taken in the plane of circle, we should draw the chord or secant joining the point, passing through the point. Extremities of chord, this one. Points of intersection of locus. If whenever the point A is outside, then polar of A is inside. Whenever point is inside, the polar is outside. This is the polar of B. From A to B, a perpendicular line. From A to B, a perpendicular line, let it is C, this is P. Perpendicular, foot of perpendicular, length of perpendicular P is P. This is polar of A, let this is D point. This is the perpendicular from B to the polar of A is Q. This is Q. Circle, given circle, x square plus y square is equal to a square. Given circle, S is equal to x square plus y square minus a square equal to 0. Let us denote A is equal to x1 comma y1. The point A is x1 comma y1 and the point B is x2 comma y2. Let us write polar of A. Polar of A formula S1 equal to 0, the notation xx1 plus yy1 minus a square equal to 0. Let this is first equation. Next we can write perpendicular distance or length of perpendicular. Perpendicular distance from B x2 comma y2 to 1. Perpendicular distance from B x2 comma y2 to the polar. x2 comma y2 is a point and this is the polar of A. So we know that the perpendicular distance formula ax1 plus b1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. Here you can put this one as x1. Here whenever x is there you should put x2. Whenever y is there you should put y2. x1 x2 plus y1 y2 minus a square. x1 x2 plus y1 y2 minus a square over modulus by root of x1 square plus y1 square. Now let us discuss. Now I am writing P go here x2. x1 square plus y1 square, x1 x2 plus y1 y2. POA. POA is there according to option 38th question, whether it is second option or third option. 33rd given. So perpendicular distance from bx2 comma y2 is, let A and B are two fixed points given. Perpendicular P is drawn from A to polar of B. Perpendicular polar of A is, A and B are two fixed points. Perpendicular P is drawn from A to polar of B with respect to circle x square plus y square equal to a square. Whenever A is equal to x1 comma y1. So here we can write POA. This is P. POA means root of x1 square plus y1 square. Okay, let us discuss about Q also. Polar of B also. Polar of B. Polar of A means x1 comma y1, circle is x square plus y square. Polar of A is s1 equal to 0, x1 plus y1 minus a square. Perpendicular distance from x2 comma y2. Here you should put x2, x1 plus y2, y1 minus a square by root of x1 square plus y1 square. Exactly right. Polar of B, let us write. Polar of B notation, xx2 plus y by 2. xx2 plus y by 2 minus a square. Now perpendicular distance from A x1 comma y1. Perpendicular distance from A x1 comma y1 to, this is second equation. We can write, instead of A, instead of x you put x1. So x1 x2 plus y1 y2 minus a square whole by root of a square plus b square. Sorry, root of x2 square plus y2 square. The notation is here root of x2 square plus y2 square. This is Q. Polar of B to perpendicular distance. Maybe the names I changed it. P is, if a perpendicular P is drawn from A to polar of B. From A to polar of B. From A to polar of B. This is P. Okay. From B to perpendicular, from B to polar of A, he given as it is Q. From B to polar of a perpendicular P is drawn from A to polar of B and a perpendicular Q is drawn from B to polar of A. So this is Q. Now option 3 will be okay. Option 3 verification. If we change the letters, maybe it is second option. That is why we may get confused. Read the question carefully. Option 3, QOA is equal to POB. POB is equal to QOA. Verification of option 3. POA is equal to QOB. What is OB? O means origin, A means the point x1 comma y1. So Q is, now write like this, x1 x2 plus y1 y2 minus a square whole by root of x1 square plus y1 square into OA means the distance between origin to the point A, that is equal to, now QOB x1 x2, here POA x1 x2 plus y1 y2. POA, this is okay. POA is not correct. POB is correct. POB. POB is equal to QOA. Here it is POB. P means here x2 square plus y2 square. And OB means x2 square plus y2 square. Here x1 x2 plus y1 y2 minus a square over modulus by root of x1 square plus y1 square into OA here root of x1 square plus y1 square. Here this one get cancelled, this one get cancelled. Both are equal. So we can say that POB equal to QOA. In some books, maybe the letters may change. Then you should understand as the answer is POA equal to QOB. Here POB equal to QOA. Now let us discuss next question. 31. The equation of tangent. The equation of pair of tangent from origin to the circle 24xy plus 7y square equal to 0. So it is nothing but the equation passing to the 0, 0. If the radius of circle is 3, then length of tangent drawn from origin. 24xy plus 7y square equal to 0 is given here. So we can understand that the line, the pair of line is passing through origin. Draw like this. This is x-axis. The pair is passing through origin. Pair, you write h is equal to 24xy plus 7y square equal to 0. Taken y common, it becomes 24x plus 7y equal to 0. Therefore, the pair of line we can written in the form of y equal to 0, comma 24x plus 7y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 is nothing but equation of x-axis. This circle, the equation of pair of tangent from origin to a circle 24xy plus 7y square equal to 0. If the radius of circle is 3, then length of tangent drawn from origin. Radius is given as 3. Put this is a center, draw like this. This is radius. Let this is C, this is P, this is Q. This is the point of contact. CP equal to CQ concept, this is R. You can understand here as alpha comma 0. Whenever circle touches x-axis, then y coordinate is the radius. Of course, radius is given as 3. Radius is given 3. So put here 3. This is 3. Now you can understand C becomes alpha comma 3. This is also 3. Since R is equal to 3, using R is equal to D. Okay. Since R is equal to 3, using radii are equal concept. Using R is equal to D. Means this is the line y equal to 0. And this is the line 24x plus 7y equal to 0. So D, this is 3 is equal to 24 alpha plus 7 3 are 21 by this is 25 over modulus. 25 3s are 75, 24 alpha plus 21 is equal to 75. 24 alpha is equal to 75 minus 21, it is 54. 24 alpha is equal to 54, alpha is equal to 54 by 12, 24. So 29 by 12, there is no option regarding 29 by 12. That is why you take another case that implies you take this one as minus 3. Minus 3 is equal to 24 alpha plus 21 by 25. So minus 75 minus 21 equal to 24 alpha. This is minus 96 by 24, so alpha is equal to minus 4. Now we got the center as minus 4 comma 3. Whenever center is minus 4 comma 3 and R is equal to 3, we can write the equation of circle. Equation of circle as x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square concept. So x square plus y square minus 8x plus 6y, plus 8x minus 6y, plus 8x minus 6y plus 16 equal to 0. Now length of tangent from 0 comma 0, it is root s11, so it is nothing but 4. Length of tangent from 0 comma 0. Length of tangent from 0 comma 0 is root s11. So root 16. So it is fourth option. Now let us discuss 32nd question. Question number 32. Let L1 be the straight line passing through origin and L2 be the straight line x plus y equal to 1. If the intercept made by the circle on L1 and L2 both are equal, then the equation of L1. So what he is discussing with us, that length of chord of the circle with respect to the two lines are same. Circle S he given. S equal to x square plus y square minus x plus 3y equal to 0. Let us denote the center 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. And r is equal to 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4, 10 by 4, root 5 by 2. Root of 5 by 2 is radius. Given line L is equal to x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. X plus y minus 1 equal to 0. Using length of chord concept, put here C, this is P, this is Q, this is R, this is D. So D is equal to 1 by 2 perpendicular distance. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 1 over modulus by root 2. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 by 2, 2, 2 minus 1, 1 by root 2. Length of chord. Length of chord formula 2 root r square minus d square. That is equal to 2 into root of r square means 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means minus 1 by 2. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 by 2, 2. So it is 2 root 2. According to option verification. Verify second option. Of course, depends upon the center concept. D is equal to, second option is x minus y equal to 0. D is equal to 1 by 2, the center we got here 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 over modulus by root 2. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 2 by root 2. This is root 2. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 by 2, 2. So it is root 2. Now length of chord concept to 2 root r square minus d square. So 2 root, what is r square? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 minus 2 here. So 5 minus 4. 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 2 by root 2, so it is root 2, verified second option. Now let us discuss 33rd question. A ray of light incident from a point. A ray of light incident at the point minus 2, minus 1 gets reflected from the tangent at 0, minus 1 to the circle. The reflected ray touches the circle. The equation of the line with the incident ray moved. Incident ray moved means nothing but he is asking about reflected ray equation. Put here 0, 0. He is discussing with us the point 0, minus 1 he given and minus 2, minus 1 also he given. The circle is, equation of circle x square plus y square is equal to 1 means center 0, 0 and the circle lies on 0, minus 1. Draw like this. This is a circle. And the tangent is passing through 0, minus 1. A ray of light incident at the point minus 2, minus 1, it's okay. Gets reflected from the tangent at 0, minus 1. This is a tangent. This is a tangent passing through the point 0, minus 1. The reflected ray touches the circle. The equation of line along with. Here a ray formed. This is incident ray or initial ray. incident ray, this is touching the circle like this. This is reflected ray. Reflected ray. A ray of light incident at the point -2, -1. Here a ray incident at -2, -1 gets reflected at the tangent. From here it is reflecting. The reflected ray touches the circle. Okay, this is the tangent. The equation of line along with incident ray moved. Where it is incident ray is moving. So reflected ray equation should calculate. Let us draw the concept like this. This is R. This is perpendicular. We know that whenever the rays are reflecting an initial, here the two angles are equal. Reflected angle and this angle both are equal. So it is alpha. So in this triangle, if you put name here, this is center C, this is P, this is Q, this is R, enough. So angle P R, this is yes, angle PRS is equal to alpha since this is x dash, this is a point D, since angle D R x dash is equal to alpha. This is original angle, this is reflected angle, both are equal. Whenever at the reflecting point both angles are equal. Therefore angle PQC is equal to alpha, because this is a transversal line, PR is a transversal line between the two parallel lines. So concept is corresponding angles. Yes, corresponding angles. Concept is corresponding angles. We know that the diameter divide the circle into two equal parts. This is the CP. CP is a radius. At radius it becomes 90 degrees because angle in semicircle is 90 degrees. So at P is equal to here 90 degrees. C. Now we should calculate about C. Regarding C, this is alpha, right? This is P, this is C, and this is Q. This is alpha. This is 90 minus alpha. I think no need. This is 90 minus alpha. No need, students. Let us take the concept equation of line. Let the slope be m. Right here. Let the slope be m. Let the slope of reflected ray. Let the slope of reflected ray be m. So this equation may be equal because the angle is equal. Whenever angle is equal, tan alpha slope is equal. Okay, then it is required equation is reflected ray. So ray be m. Equation of, we can write here equation of PR, it is reflected ray. Equation of PR is the formula passing through the point y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 concept. Y plus 1 is equal to m into x minus x2. That implies you can write here mx minus y. Taken this side, it becomes mx minus y plus 2m minus 1 equal to 0. Whenever this is a tangent to circle, using r is equal to d. So we can write now modulus of 2m minus 1 by root of m square plus 1 is equal to the radius 1. For the equation of circle, x square plus y square is equal to 1. The circle he given as x square plus y square equal to 1. So 2m minus 1 whole square is equal to m square plus 1. 2m minus 1 whole square equal to m square plus 1. 4m square minus 4m, that implies 4m square minus 4m plus 1 equal to 1, it is get cancelled, minus m square equal to 0. we can write here as a 3m square minus 4m equal to 0. M taken common, so it becomes 3m minus 4 also equal to 0. So m is equal to 0, maybe first one x-axis. M equal to 0 comma m equal to 4 by 3. So substitute the value m is equal to 4 by 3 here in 1. From 1 I am writing. From 1. From 1 you can write y plus 1 equal to 4 by 3 into x plus 2. Y plus 1 equal to 4 by 3 into x plus 2. 3y plus 3 is equal to 4x plus 8. 2m minus 1 whole square. Now 4x minus 3y plus 5. Y plus 1 is equal to m into the point minus x plus 2. Mx minus y plus 2m minus 1 exactly. So this is 2m minus 1 by m square plus 1 is equal to 1. 2m minus 1 whole square is equal to m square plus 1. 4m square minus 4m plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. M square taken this side. 3m square minus 4m. M taken common. So 4m we did not get the answer, students. 4x plus 3y plus 11 equal to 0 we got. 4x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0 we got. Yeah, 3y plus 3, 4x plus 8, maybe minus 8, minus 4x plus 3y like that. 0 comma minus 1 is there, we did not make mistake. Let us verify the option. Verify third option. According to slope here 4 by 3, so 4 negative slope. When it is 4 by 3, only fourth option is there. Let us discuss about the option. 33rd question, third option is given, slope minus 4 by 3. So minus 4 by 3 we should get. This is alpha, maybe. Let us verify in old book, students. Minus 2 comma minus 1 is there. Equation of tangent minus 2 comma minus 3 is correct only. X square plus y square is equal to 1. Y plus 1 is equal to m into x plus 2, it is correct only. Mx, let us write. Y plus 1 is equal to mx plus 2m. Mx minus y plus 2m minus 1 exactly. Depends upon the concept. R is equal to D. Now we are getting equation of, okay, whenever it is negative slope, it becomes minus 4 by 3 we should get. 2m minus 1 whole square, everything is okay. Let us discuss old material. In old material, let us discuss, students. A ray of light incident at the point minus 2 comma minus 1. Minus 2 comma minus 1 means third. It is third quadrant, okay. Gets reflected from the tangent at 0 comma minus 1, okay. To the circle, the reflected ray touches the circle, it's also okay. The equation of line along which the incident ray moved. Equation of line along which the incident ray moved. Incident ray moved means if we get the slope here 90 minus alpha whenever we take. opposite slope. Okay, now we can get the answer like this. Using m is equal to 4 by 3, negative slope. Let us discuss about the full concept. In 1B textbook, 1B IPE textbook, Roman number maybe exercise 3C, Roman number 3 last sum is there. Exercise 3D I think. 3C or 3L. Roman number 3 last sum. Depends upon the Roman number 3 last sum. We have a concept. Tan alpha is equal to minus tan theta. Because the reflected ray and here the slope becomes negative, it is the concept. This, if it is a positive slope, because it is reflecting, it is negative slope. Because this is a tan theta and this is a minus tan theta. That is the concept. So wherever the concept is everything okay, now we should discuss regarding slope is negative slope we should consider. Everything is okay. So in previous sum we written like this, y plus 1 is equal to, you should write minus m into x plus 1. Now we can take here y plus 1 is equal to minus mx minus m. Take an mx this side, mx minus y plus m plus 1 equal to 0. Same concept we got. So whenever the value r is equal to d we have applied, if it is initial ray, we got that one as y minus, same concept we used m plus 1 here, m plus 1 by root of m plus 1 whole square. M into x plus 2 this is. The passing through point is equation of, I am writing here, equation of reflected ray. Equation of ray PR, y plus 1 is equal to, taking negative slope, minus m into x plus 2, y plus 1 is equal to minus x minus 2m. So we can write like this, mx plus y plus 2m plus 1, using r is equal to d, using this line. Using r is equal to d, so we can say here modulus of 2m plus 1 by root of m square plus 1 equal to 1, squaring both sides, 2m plus 1 whole square is equal to m square plus 1, squaring both sides, 2m plus 1 is equal to m square plus 1. So taking the negative slope is correct. You see exercise 1C IB textbook to get the negative slope concept. 4m square plus 4m plus 1 minus m square minus 1 equal to 0, 1 get cancelled. 3m square plus 4m equal to 0. Whenever m taken common, you can write here as 3m plus 4. So m is equal to 0 comma m is equal to minus 4 by 3. Now equation of PR, the reflected ray, is y plus 1 is equal to minus 4 by 3 into x plus 2. So 3y plus 3 is equal to minus 4x minus 8. Taken this side, it becomes 4x plus 3y plus 11 equal to 0. Let us verify the option now. 4x plus 3y plus 11 equal to 0, it is third option. Students, no need to get this full sum, because only one option is there, that minus 2 comma minus 1 passing through. the point. Minus 2 comma minus 1 is passing through only according to third option. Directly we can write, but whatever the process is there, simply set the process. Now let us going to discuss about 34th question. Let A, B, C, D be a quadrilateral. ABCD be a quadrilateral with area 18, with side AB parallel to CD and AB is equal to 2CD. Let AD perpendicular to AB and CD. AB perpendicular to AD and CD. If a circle is drawn inside the quadrilateral ABCD touching all the sides, then its radius. 34th. Draw diagram like this. Later we can draw. This is A, B, C, D. According to condition I have drawn. ABCD be a quadrilateral with area 18 with the side AB parallel to CD. This side parallel to CD. Next to CD. AB is equal to 2CD. So AB is equal to 2CD. So this is AB. So this is CD. AB is equal to 2CD. AB is equal to 2CD. This is A and this is B. This is C, this is D. That too, let us think. AD perpendicular to AB. AD perpendicular to AB. So this is D, this is C. According to condition, we should draw the diagram. This is D, this is C. AD perpendicular to AB. It's okay. Now it is okay. AD perpendicular to AB. And CD, so put here like this. This is perpendicular, this is perpendicular. ABCD be a quadrilateral with area 18 with its side AB parallel to CD. It's okay. CD and AB, okay. CD and AB is equal to CD. It's also have drawn. Let AD perpendicular to AB, it is okay. And CD. If a circle drawn inside the quadrilateral ABCD touching all the four sides, then its radius. Now a circle. Draw a circle like this carefully. This is a circle. A circle which touching all the four sides internally. Now let us discuss. This is a given nothing. Simply we can say this is as A. Let these are coordinates because he is discussing with us. The circle is touching all the four sides. Let us the sides are coordinates. This is y axis, this is x axis. So it is taking origin. Students observe one thing that the circle is not passing through origin. Touching the lines. Here you can put this is A comma 0 because it is on x axis. We can say that whenever circle touches both coordinate axes, then center or comma r and radius r. This is diameter 2. This is on xy both axes. So you can write C as A comma 2r. Because this length is A, we are thinking that this length is A. Whenever this length is A, this you can understand as 0 comma A. Because this is on y-axis. This is also A. This is also A. This is 2R. Now we can say that here this is 2A comma 0. 2A comma 0. By a condition, now the quadrilateral became as trapezium. We know that the area of the trapezium is h by 2 into A plus B. Area of trapezium, I am writing. Area of trapezium. Area of trapezium are within the brackets quadrilateral ABCD. For this quadrilateral according to condition. Quadrilateral ABCD. quadrilateral ABCD is equal to h by 2 into A plus B. Here what is h? This full height, total height is 2r. A he given as 18 degrees. 18, not degrees. Area is 18 he given. 18 is equal to, we can write here 2r by 2 into A plus 2A, because this full length is 2A. Half length, that length is A and this length is 2A. That 10 plus 2 get cancelled. We can write here 18 is equal to r into 3A. 3 will be dividing 18 in 6 times. That implies we can say A is equal to 6 by R or R is equal to 6 by A. This is first equation, it will be useful for us. R is equal to 6 by A. Now we can say equation of BC and using R is equal to D concept. This is center, this is D and this is R. Equation of BC. Equation of BC formula, y minus 0 is equal to taking this point. 2r minus 0, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 concept you use. Y minus 0 is equal to 2r minus 0 by a minus 2a into x minus 2a. That implies y is equal to, you can write here minus 2r by minus a into x minus 2a. Minus and minus get cancelled. We can say here ay is equal to 2rx. Ay is equal to 2rx plus 4ar. That implies, let us write the equation x into 2r like this. We can write x into 2r minus y into a plus 4ar is equal to 0. Applying R is equal to D condition, because this is a tangent to the given circle. Applying R is equal to D. What is R here? Radius is R. Whenever the circle touches both coordinate axes, the equation of circle is x minus r whole square plus y minus r whole square root r square. So center is r comma r and radius is also r. You apply here as R is equal to R into 2R. You can write here 2R square minus AR plus 4AR. 2R square minus AR plus 4AR by root of 4R square plus A square. Root of 4R square plus A square. Here 2R square plus 3AR. So root of, we can write here 4R square plus A square is equal to, here you can write 2R plus 3A. Because 4r minus r becomes 3r, r will be getting cancelled, r never be equal to 0. By squaring both sides we get here 4r square plus a square. 4r square plus a square is equal to 4r square plus 9a square plus 12ar. 4r square will be getting cancelled. We can write here 8a square is equal to 8a square plus 12ar is equal to 0. 8a square plus 12ar equal to 0. If we take common fourth table, divide with 4a, so it becomes 2a plus 3r. 2a plus 3r equal to 0. The relation we got here, from 1 we can put here. From 1 we need r, so instead of a you put r. A is equal to 6 by r. So 2 into 6 by r plus 3r equal to 0. 8a square plus 12ar. Here this is plus 3r. Now it became 3r square plus 12 equal to 0. 3r square is equal to minus 12. It is wrong. R square is equal to minus 4. R square is equal to 4 if you take modulus. R is equal to 2. Let us verify once. R is equal to 2 is the option, correct only, second option. If we take equation with using this one, we may get an easy method. You try yourself. y minus, I have taken 2a minus 0 as a point, y minus 0 is equal to like this. If you take y minus 2r is equal to the slope and x minus a, then you will be getting easily positive. Of course, no problem, because r square is negative, is not correct, so modulus you can take. Then the radius is 2. Now 34 completed. 34 is IMP question in mains level. Let us discuss about 35th question. Let ABC, if 4l square here, given condition, if 4l square minus 5m square, 4l square minus 5m square plus 6l plus 1, plus 6l plus 1 equal to 0, then the line Lx plus My plus 1 equal to 0 touches line. Line Lx plus My plus 1 equal to 0 touches the circle. Some questions will be given in the confused mode. You can understand the questions as, if we verify the option, we will get the answer. How we can verify, sir? 4l square we should get. According to r equal to d condition, for the circle, Lx plus My is plus 1 equal to 0. Draw like this. This is the tangent. Lx plus My plus 1 equal to 0. For second option, for first option, third option, for three options, so radius 5 is not 5, radius root 5 is there. If we use r is equal to d, for second, 4 we should get. 4, how we will get? 9 minus 5. So 9 means you should get the value 3. For 3, two options are there, second and third. Next, what is the second and third? What is the difference between second and third? Only minus 3 and plus 3. If we do, okay, let us verify the option 2. Option 2 I am verifying. Option 2, the circle x minus 3 whole square here, not x plus 3. X minus 3 whole square plus y square is equal to root 5 whole square. He given 5 only, I had written like this. Here center is equal to 3, 0 and r is equal to root 5. From center 3, 0, use the condition r is equal to d. So using r is equal to d, you can write here 3l plus 1 by root of l square plus m square is equal to root 5. This is the concept. Now you can write squaring on both sides. You can write here 9l square plus 6l plus 1 minus 5l square minus 5m square equal to 0. That's all. Now we got the relation as 4l square minus 5m square. That's all. Minus 5m square plus 6l plus 1 equal to 0. This is the verification mode only. Now 36 question. 36 question. If the squares of lengths of tangent from the point P to the circles x square plus y square plus a square, x square plus y square by b square and x square plus y square plus c square are in AP, then a square, b square, c square are in dash. From a point, the three circles, put here a point P x1, y1. From a point, squares of lengths of tangents. This is T1, this is T2, this is T3. So first circle is x square plus y square equal to a square. This is first circle. Second circle is x square plus y square equal to b square. Third circle is x square plus y square equal to c square. Condition. I think squares of lengths of tangents he is asking. The squares of lengths of tangents. T2 square is equal to AP or GP. The squares of lengths of tangent from a point P to the circle are in AP. squares of lengths of tangent. Condition I am writing 2t square. 2t2 square is equal to t1 square plus t3 square. I mean t1 means length of tangent to first circle, and t2 means length of tangent to second circle, and t3 means length of tangent to third circle. So 2 into, now what is the length of tangent formula? Root s11 concept. x1 square 2 into x1 square plus y1 square minus b square is equal to x1 square plus y1 square minus a square plus x1 square plus y1 square minus a square. 2 will be getting cancelled. Now you can write here minus 2b square is equal to minus a square minus c square. So minus getting cancelled, we will be getting as 2b square is equal to a square plus c square. Therefore a square comma b square comma c square are in AP. Okay students, today we have started the class from 24th question, 30th question. Okay, let us discuss in next class.